everyone. I'm Naohisa Yoshida, head of colorectal ESD group in Kyoto Prefecture University of Medicine in Kyoto, Japan. This short video presents our recently accepted paper in endoscopy titled Complete Closure After Colorectal Endoscopic Submucosal Dissection using a reopenable clip with a sharp claw. I'm the corresponding author of this study, and the co-authors are Ryohei Hirose, Osamu Dohi, Yoshikazu Inagaki, Takaaki Murakami, Yutaka Inada, Yasutaka Morimoto, Reo Kobayashi, Ken Inoue, Elsa Gonim, and Yoshito Ito. In this study, my co-authors and I focused on addressing on one of the key challenges of colorectal ESD. ESD has gained global popularity due to its minimally invasive nature and its ability to provide enveloped dissection of large colorectal regions. However, as many of you are aware, colorectal ESD can be particularly challenging due to its colon's winding nature and its thin wall, which often leads to extended procedure time and increased risk of complications such as delayed bleeding, delayed perforation, and post-ESD coagulation syndrome PECs. To address these challenges, various methods and devices, including traction device and pocket creation method, have been introduced. Uh, Despite these advances, preventing and managing complications remains a critical concern of colorectal ESD. So one effective strategy is complete closure of the ESD defect, and this is the focus of our study. We evaluated the effectiveness of a mantis closure device, a reopenable clip with a sharp claw, which was released in 2023 from Boston Scientific. The mantis is designed for ease of use and rapid closure, with the potential to shorten closure times. And yeah, as you can see, the mantis photo, the mantis features a sharp claw, which is key to its functionality. Our study assesses its ability to achieve complete closure quickly in colorectal ESD. So the primary endpoint of our study was achieving complete closure of ESD defect using this mantis. Secondary endpoint included closure time and rate of complications such as delayed bleeding, delayed perforation, and PACs. In our study, we analyzed the 61 cases where the mantis was used. The mean tumor size was 32.3 millimeter, and complete closure rate was 98.4%. The mean closure time was only 6.9 minutes, highlighting the efficacy of this device. On average, one bite this and four reopenable clips were used for per case. And the rate of delayed perforation, delayed bleeding, and PEX was 0%, 0%, and 9.8%, demonstrating the probable role of this mantis approach in lowering the complication rates. So we concluded using a mantis in combination with additional reopenable clip demonstrated high rate of complete closure with short closure time. This approach also showed promise in reducing the rates of delayed bleeding, delayed perforation, and PECs. And yeah, given the promising results, we believe a prospective study is warranted. We'll propose to compare the mantis with other closure techniques and non-closure methods, focusing on key outcomes such as complication rates, closure times, and complete closure. This comparative study would probably provide valuable insights to further optimize the management of colorectal yeast defect. I invite you to read the full paper on endoscopy for more details of our study and the potential of this new device Mantis improving the efficacy and the safeness of colorectal ESD. So thank you for your kind attention.